Copper Chef Induction Cooktop. If you are looking for a single pan that can give you easy and versatility when cooking with a non-stick cookware, you're looking at the right product. This best commercial induction burner goes beyond your expectations. Copper Chef, unlike other cooktops, has a square shape that allows you to fit in more food. This makes it simpler and more efficient, especially if you are cooking for a large group of people all at once. It is equipped with a precise timer and a temperature controller, which can be adjusted from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Copper Chef Induction Cooktop is also suitable for beginners, as it has 5 cooking presets. You can choose to do warming or searing, and everything else in between. Its display screen shows large prints, which are very easy to read, and is helpful for the elderly. This product is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PTFE. Its ceramic-tech coating makes the cooking of sticky meals easy, and it cleans up well with just a single wipe.